97% of people don't complete their New Year's resolutions 3 weeks into the new year. That is crazy. So how do you set New Year's resolutions and follow through every time? First step is do not set a New Year's resolution, okay? What you're really doing is we're setting ourselves up for failure. Instead is to do a year in review. So I like to look at my 2022, what did I accomplish? What could I have done better? And what can I move into 2023 learning and taking bigger steps and basically building onto what I've already done in 2020. So after I've reflected on 2022, I want to project into 2023 and think about the things I want to accomplish in 2023. So these aren't just New Year's resolutions. This is actually projecting into the year, planning, putting things on the calendar, already reflecting on 2022. Where do I want to improve? What are some new experiences I want to have? What are some accomplishments I'm looking to achieve? And really looking more at the full picture than just a little tiny piece. So there's several areas we want to consider when projecting into the year. How do we want to improve our relationships, our careers? Is there a promotion we're looking for? Do we want to start a business? What metrics do we want to look at and improve in sales and marketing and networking? Then look at your hobbies. Are you spending enough time doing things you actually really enjoy? Do you want to travel more, spend more time with your family? And then fitness, health. How are we improving in fitness and health? And then of course our finances. How are we doing financial? Where do we want to improve in 2020? So the challenge for you is, what did you do in 2022? What are your accomplishments? And what would you like to improve going into 2023? How would you like to improve in your career, in your relationships, in your finances, and your hobbies? Write it down, spend a good 2 hours reflecting on this and projecting into the future so you can really have a crystal clear idea of 2023 and the things you'd like to do. So peace, love, and joy. Comment below. Let me know how that worked for you, and I'll see you in the new year.